Don't scroll. This is for you. You're closer than you think. The enemy wants you to quit right before the breakthrough. But God sent this message to remind you, your testimony is nearer than it looks. Sometimes the darkest night comes right before the sunrise. And right now I know life may feel heavy. You've prayed, you've waited, you've believed, and still nothing seems to change. But hear this, heaven has not forgotten you. God is still writing your story, even when the page looks blank. There are miracles happening behind the scenes that your eyes cannot see. You don't plant a seed and dig it up every day to check its progress. You water it, you wait, and you trust that something is growing underground. Your miracle is growing. Your testimony is forming. Your turnaround is in motion. Yes, you're tired. Yes, you're frustrated. But the worst time to give up is right before the answer arrives. Joseph didn't know he was one night away from the palace. Hannah didn't know she was one prayer away from Samuel. The woman with the issue of blood didn't know healing was one touch away. And you don't know how close you are, but God does. And today he's whispering to your heart, hold on, don't quit, keep standing. Your testimony is closer than you think. Look at how far God has brought you already. You didn't come this far to break. You came this far to break through. Your story isn't over. Your blessing isn't lost. Your testimony is on the way. Just don't give up. No matter what you're facing, your breakthrough is nearer than you realize. Keep standing, keep believing, and keep trusting. Your story is about to change for the better.